So I was talking to Carrie Wong from the Roux Facebook group. He was having some trouble building first block, so he asked for some help. So I did some example solves to him, and this Scramble came up, and I think it might give some people some insight on what do I look for when I see Scramble, especially if you're trying to experiment with line stuff. So things I look for are obviously solved edges like this or this, and also pairs like F12 pairs or pairs that have the down color on the side. But one thing I look for that I don't see many people commenting on is stuff like this. You have a pair that is actually formed from a corner from one of the pairs of the first block and the edge from the other pair, and the first block color doesn't match. So the thing is, if you think about this block being here, if you do D prime, these two pieces are solved in relation to each other, right? And the thing is, if I could solve these two pieces and then these two pieces, when I did this move, I'll have a solved first block. So the thing I saw here was that I could solve this in relation to this, or you may think of it as solving this to here, doing something like this, U2B, because it solved the edge opposite to it, and it solved this corner. But the thing is, if you take a look at where your DL piece is, it's here. So if you're doing that, this piece is going to be the place of the DL piece. But the thing is, you can easily put a DL piece here. So I might as well put it there, then do U2, then do L. And I have the solved line, this pair, which is the key I'm talking about, and then this edge right here. But the thing is, I wanted to have my first block on my left, and I want to have it pointing down, so I might as well do R wide, B2, R wide instead of L, U2, L, because then I have my block like here. If I was to solve the corner here, then my block would be facing upwards, which isn't what I'm aiming for. So I'll do this, R wide, B2, R wide, and I have the same structure, but it's on the back and pointing downwards. The thing is, this doesn't move the last corner at all, so it's very easy to track. And then I'll have this solved here, and then this solved here. And the only thing left would be this corner, which I can easily solve using a C-fop insert. And then I just need to do a UI to align the line that was formed back here with the line that is going to be formed back here. So I'll have this, then this piece, and now I have formed my line here, and the pairs connecting them. So I just do U wide prime, and I have my block.